Are you tired of searching for the perfect air fryer only to be overwhelmed by countless options and mixed reviews? We get it. Finding the best one can be a real challenge. That's why we've done the hard work for you. After testing numerous models, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best air fryers, complete with their standout features like rapid air technology, compact design, and energy efficiency. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to consider to choose the best one for your needs. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. COSORI Air Fryer. The COSORI 5QT Air Fryer is a versatile and efficient appliance specifically designed to enhance your air frying experience. With its compact dimensions of 14.4-inch diameter by 10.8-inch width by 12-inch height, it fits seamlessly into small kitchens, making it perfect for small families or apartments. This air fryer offers 9 personalizable cooking functions, allowing users to easily cook a variety of dishes such as chicken, fries, steak, seafood, veggies, and bacon. The advanced air circulation technology ensures that food is cooked evenly, locking in moisture to keep meats juicy while achieving a perfectly golden and crispy exterior. Operating at up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer cooks food quickly, significantly reducing meal preparation time. One of the key features is the ability to prepare healthier meals with up to 85% less oil compared to traditional frying methods. This allows you to enjoy your favorite crispy foods without the guilt. The touch control method and wide temperature range from 75 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Fahrenheit provide versatility and ease of use for various air frying tasks. Equipped with a 1,500 watt output and operating at 230 volts, the COSORI Air Fryer delivers powerful performance. The package includes a 5-quart nonstick basket, a crisper plate, a chef-inspired recipe book with 30 recipes, and cooking charts. In summary, the COSORI 5QT Air Fryer is a highly functional and compact appliance that offers a superior air frying experience. Its user-friendly design, efficient performance, and ability to prepare healthier meals make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Cuisinart. The Cuisinart Air Fryer is an efficient and versatile appliance designed to cater to your air frying needs, especially for larger meals. With a 6-quart capacity, it provides ample space to cook larger batches, making it perfect for families or gatherings. The appliance fits comfortably on most kitchen countertops with its dimensions of 12-inch diameter by 16.5-inch width by 12.25-inch height. This air fryer features 5 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm. These functions provide the flexibility to prepare a wide range of dishes, from crispy fries to roasted vegetables. The digital display with 5 easy presets simplifies the cooking process, allowing you to achieve optimal results with just a few button presses. Powered by 1800 watts and featuring an adjustable temperature control up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer offers precise control over your cooking. This ensures your food reaches the perfect level of crispiness and browning. The air fryer is designed for convenience with a non-stick dishwasher-safe crisper basket, making cleanup effortless. Its sleek stainless steel and black exterior adds a modern touch to any kitchen. In conclusion, the Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer is a practical and versatile appliance that excels in air frying. Its large capacity, multiple cooking functions, and easy-to-clean design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen, especially for those who enjoy preparing large, crispy, and delicious meals. Number 3. Nuwave Brio Plus. The Nuwave Brio Plus Air Fryer is a modern appliance designed to enhance your air frying experience with an array of advanced features. Its compact dimensions of 11.5-inch diameter by 11.25-inch width by 12.75-inch height make it a suitable addition to any kitchen, while the generous 8-quart capacity is perfect for preparing larger meals for families or gatherings. One of the key highlights of this air fryer is its full digital touchscreen controls. This innovative feature replaces traditional analog buttons, offering a sleek and user-friendly interface. The easy-to-read digital display, with its cool white letters and numbers, ensures clear visibility in any lighting condition, making it convenient to operate. The air fryer provides precise digital temperature settings ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in 5 degree Fahrenheit increments. This allows for exact control over your cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. Engineered by highly trained chefs and a dedicated research and development team, the fryer has been rigorously tested to deliver exceptional taste and performance. Its powerful 4.5-inch convection fan promotes superior cyclonic convection circulation, enhancing the air frying process and ensuring even cooking. The Brio Plus features a PFAS-free non-stick ceramic coating, providing a safe and efficient cooking surface. The ability to make on-the-fly adjustments to time and temperature offers flexibility and control, allowing you to tailor the cooking process to your needs. In summary, the Nuwave Brio Plus Air Fryer stands out with its modern design, precise digital controls, and powerful performance. Its generous capacity and easy-to-clean features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their air frying experience. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse. The Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer is a versatile and efficient appliance designed to transform meal preparation. With dimensions of 16.9-inch diameter by 15.8-inch width by 14.8-inch height, this air fryer is capable of handling various cooking tasks, including air frying, baking, roasting, and slow cooking. Its 26-quart capacity makes it perfect for serving 4 to 6 people, easily accommodating larger dishes like a 6-pound rotisserie chicken or a 12-inch pizza. This air fryer comes equipped with 24 cooking presets, allowing users to select the best cooking method for a wide range of dishes, from defrosting and baking to toasting and reheating. The dual-speed fan, combined with 360 degrees superheated air circulation, ensures even and efficient cooking, delivering crispy and golden results with minimal effort. The appliance's stainless steel exterior not only ensures durability, but also adds a sleek and modern touch to any kitchen. The French doors open with a single pull, and the interior light allows users to monitor their food as it cooks. Despite its substantial weight of 26.5 pounds, the design is user-friendly and practical for everyday use, emphasizing the air fryer's functionality and ease of operation. Operating at 1700 watts and 120 volts, this air fryer delivers powerful performance. The touch control method enhances usability, while the high maximum temperature setting of 500 degrees Fahrenheit provides the flexibility to cook a wide variety of dishes. In conclusion, the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer is a powerful and versatile appliance that enhances any kitchen. Its large capacity, comprehensive feature set, and stylish design make it an excellent choice for those looking to streamline and elevate their cooking experience. Number 1. Typhur Dome AF03 Air Fryer. The Typhur Dome AF03 Air Fryer in silver is an innovative kitchen appliance that revolutionizes the air frying experience with its advanced features and efficient design. With dimensions of 17.3-inch diameter by 15.5-inch width by 9.7-inch height and a generous capacity of 5.6 quarts, this air fryer provides ample space for preparing delicious meals for the whole family. What sets this air fryer apart is its remarkable cooking speed, outpacing traditional air fryers by 30%. This means you can enjoy crispy, flavorful dishes in less time, making meal preparation a breeze. Another notable feature is its quiet operation, emitting only 55 decibels of noise. This ensures a peaceful cooking environment without the distraction of loud appliance noises, allowing you to focus on preparing your meals without interruptions. Cleaning up after cooking is made effortless with the self-cleaning function, which removes oil and stains from the top cavity in just 2 hours. This convenient feature eliminates the hassle of scrubbing and ensures your air fryer remains spotless with minimal effort required. With 10 preset cooking modes, the Dome Air Fryer offers versatility and convenience at your fingertips. Whether you're air frying, baking, or roasting, achieving perfect results is as simple as pressing a button. Plus, with the Typhur app, you can easily monitor and adjust your cooking settings from your smartphone, giving you greater control and flexibility. In conclusion, the Typhur Dome AF03 Air Fryer redefines the air frying experience with its innovative features, efficient performance, and user-friendly design. With its impressive cooking speed, quiet operation, and self-cleaning function, it offers convenience and ease of use for busy households. In the dynamic landscape of air fryers, the market presents an enticing array of options, each boasting distinct advantages. From the sleek and efficient COSORI to the versatile Cuisinart, these appliances cater to diverse needs and preferences. The Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer stands out for its multifunctionality and stylish design, while the Nuwave 8-quart Brio Plus offers precise digital controls and powerful performance. The Typhur Dome AF03 Air Fryer, championing innovation with its remarkable cooking speed and self-cleaning function. Whether prioritizing versatility, convenience, or efficiency, these top contenders redefine air frying experiences, promising flavorful and guilt-free meals in sleek and efficient packages.